Oh, hi everyone, it's Bob from Greybeard Models. Welcome back to the channel. I'd like to say a big thank you to all my new subscribers and to all my old ones. It's really good to see you there, and thanks for all the comments and support. It's really good. I'd like to do an intro into the D-Day group build hosted by Charlie Mack and Al Wood. I'm not sure what I'm going to build. I've got a rough idea, but I'm not really sure, and I've got some options. So I think the best thing to do is just go to the bench, have a look, and I'll run through some options. Let's go over there. Well, I've got a number of options in terms of D-Day, so let's go backwards, as it were. So one of the ones I've got is this Italeri kit. It's in 1/72 scale. This particular kit was from, I think it was originally released for the 1970 or the 70th anniversary of D-Day. So that would have been 2014, something like that. This is the 2019 version that came out for the 75th anniversary of D-Day. I wouldn't be at all surprised if Italeri didn't issue this again. This comes with the Horsa glider and the paratroopers in 1/72 scale. So this was one option that I thought of, and the next one is it's this one. This is Italeri's 1/35 scale duck. Yeah, I picked this up because I quite fancy the idea of doing a duck. It has, in this particular kit, it has markings for British Army Aramosh. So I think that was Gold Beach on D-Day. So yeah, might have a go at that. I've got some figures that I can use. I'll go through the figures in a minute, because in 1/35 I've got quite a few. But yeah, that one. And I've got this gecko kit for the British landing craft used at D-Day, which is a new kit. This sort of is my sort of favourite, I think, but I'm not sure. But yeah, the D-Day sort of markings are there as well. So some of the markings are for D-Day. I'll leave that there for a moment. It doesn't come with any crew figures, but having said that, I picked up this kit. This is from an old Italeri kit, the Vosper motor torpedo boat crew in 1/35th, and basically got these because obviously they're sort of navy figures, and the combination of figures there does lend itself to providing potentially a crew for the assault craft. So I've got that as well. So that's sort of, that's the main idea that I've got for D-Day build. But I've also got these figures, which are from Master Box, British troops, Western Europe, 44-45. Nice action poses there. Sorry about the glare. But yeah, I've got those figures. I've got these old set from Tamiya. Again, sort of British Army. Got those. I've also got this kit here from Rich Models, which is General Horrocks, Pamela Churchill, Winston Churchill's daughter, Winston Churchill, and Montgomery. So I've got those as well, and another one for for Europe, and maybe D-Day is these two figures. Whether or not they're relevant, I don't know. But I've also got a stash of other figures. So I'm really not sure what to do. But they will be coming soon. So, as I say, watch this space. Yeah.